can't stay in bed. The feeling of your skin locked in my head. Smoke, smoke me broke. I don't care, I'm down for what you want.
Hi. Woof. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Valentine's Day. I wanted to share with you guys another makeup look. This one is a little bit more smoky, more dramatic, a little bit more sexy for those of you that want to go that route for Valentine's Day. But yeah, I really enjoyed creating this look for you guys. I love doing my makeup and yup, I love just like creating these looks for you guys. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you guys want to see how I got this makeup look, then please, then please keep watching. Hey guys, let's use some tape. So now we're gonna put this tape, line it up with the tip of our nose to the edge of our brow. This is gonna help give us that nice sharp line that we're looking for. Next up, taking the Urban Decay Primer Potion, popping that all over my lid, and taking the Bobbi Brown taupe color in taupe and popping that in the crease, taking that chocolatey brown color from the Jaclyn Hill palette and putting that in the outer third of my eye, then grabbing that silver color from the Naked 2 palette and popping that in the center. I want my eyes to be nice and smoky and dramatic, darkening up the outer third just a little bit with the shade darker in the Jaclyn Hill palette. Be careful taking off that tape, honey. It looks scary, but it ended up being perfect. Next up, favorite primer, Hourglass primer, popping that all over my face, and then using the Le Métier de Butte foundation and rubbing that in with a beauty blender, blending that in. Taking that Naked concealer and popping that in the T-zone areas as well and blending that out with a beauty blender. This is going to bring the highlight to the other parts of your face. I don't really know how to explain it, but basically contour highlight must have in my routine. And this is the Hoola Benefit Bronzer. I was quite impressed with this. I really did like this product. I just got it and it blended out really well, and I'm using a Morphe brush for this. It's a little bit more denser, so it blends out the product a lot easier and keeps a lot of it on. I like it. This is the Ardell Wispies. I'm obsessed with the Ardell lashes. They are so good and so affordable. So if you're looking for a good affordable lash, Ardell's where it's at. Next up, I'm filling in the glue areas with just like a black gel liner from Bare Minerals, just so we don't see any of that stuff. This mascara by The Balm Cosmetics is bomb. I want my natural lashes to blend in with those fake ones. Next up, I'm taking this Morphe Bright Pink blush and popping that on my cheeks, keeping it in the center of my face to make it seem more youthful and alive. And this is an Hourglass highlighter, and it just makes you look like you are glowing from within, and I love it so much. And I'm popping that same highlighter just in an inner quarter of my eyes, and I also popped it on the tops of underneath my brow basically. And now I'm just taking those two crease colors basically and blending them out. Browns are perfect for a smoky eye. So if you go on the bottom with a darker color, make sure you blend it out with the lighter color. It'll blend it out and make it look so much cleaner. Popping this mascara on my lower lashes because it is amazing, and my lashes, since I have long ones, will not move. If you guys want to see a brow tutorial, please let me know in the comments below. These two lip colors, one's by Glow Minerals and the other one is by NYX, a soft matte lip cream in the color Cans. I'm obsessed with the NYX formulas. As soon as I find a lip product that I liked, I am hooked, honey. The first one was by Glow Minerals, and I think it's called Rosewood. And that's it. I just kind of blend it all out, and I just wanted this to be a sweetheart Valentine's Day smoky sexy look. Hope you guys enjoyed. Alright you guys, so that concludes this makeup look. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, which I hope you did, you better have enjoyed it, oh my gosh. Please give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. All my social media is listed at the end of this video. If you want to tag me in any of your recreations of this look, or what makeup look you'll, oh my gosh, I cannot talk. We're done. Anyways, I hope you guys have a wonderful Valentine's Day, and remember, Valentine's Day is just about spreading love. Whether it's from a significant other, or from your mom, or from me, I love you. Hope that everybody enjoys their Valentine's Day, and hope you have a great day as well. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye. Where is my deodorant? It's over there. I seriously cannot talk right now. It's really like an impediment.
Oh my gosh, you guys, I am sweating like these lights. Oh my gosh, my armpits right now. If you could just smell them. Oh, you'd probably die.